Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss section A. First of all, we will learn about prose comprehension passages. Prose comprehension passages जो सीन पेसेज होते हैं वो जो आपके एग्ज़ाम में आते हैं, और दूसरा है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वेकेबलरी और प्रोज टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस। तो जो जो एक्सक्लूडेड चैप्टर है वो नहीं लिए गए हैं। इंक्लूडेड चैप्टर फर्स्ट टू फोर्थ है। प्रोज के जो फ्लेमिंगो बुक है उसमें हमारे फर्स्ट टू फोर्थ चैप्टर है वो अभी आएंगे। तो हमारा फर्स्ट चैप्टर है द लास्ट लेसन, और हमारा जो सेकंड चैप्टर है वो है लोस्ट स्प्रिंग, एंड थर्ड डीप वाटर, एंड फोर्थ है द रेड ट्रप। 4 चैप्टर्स ये ऐसे 1 के चैप्टर है फर्स्ट टू फोर्थ इन फ्लेमिंगो बुक। तो हम पहले इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर है उनका रिवीजन करते हैं। चैप्टर फर्स्ट द लास्ट लेसन के रिवीजन करेंगे। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है व्हाट वाज फ्रेंड expected to be prepared with for school that day? Answer is French was expected to the prepared with participles that day, as Mr. Hamel had told the class that he would be taking a test on the topic that day. Next question है what did French notice that was unusual about the school that day? तो ये आप लोग पहले कर चुके हो। Usually when the school began there would be a lot of commotions, but that day everything was quiet and it appeared to be like a Sunday. But the students were at their places and Mr. M. Hamel was walking up and down with his terrible iron ruler under his arm. Third है what had been put up on the bulletin board? तो आंसर है आई रिपीट आंसर अगेन द बुलेटिन बोर्ड notified the general public about an order from Berlin. It stated that only German was to be taught to students in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. These are language. फिर उसके बाद 2 क्वेश्चन और है what change did the order from Berlin cause in school that day? तो आंसर है the order from Berlin brought all the routine hustle and bustles of the school life to a standstill. The teacher M. Hamel became more sympathetic to his students and taught his lesson with more patience. The students became more attentive in their classes. The villagers who were sitting at the usually empty bank benches and had come to we can say that and their respect कि वो उनके respect में थे सब लोग. And to Mr. M. Hamel the order also brought up a great change in the feeling of the people towards their country and their languages. There was a general sadness about not being able to utilize the opportunities of learning French when it was easily accessible. Next है how did French feeling about M. Hamel and school change? Answer is French was shocked when M. Hamel told the students about the order from Berlin and that it was their last French lesson. He forgot about his teacher's rule and crankiness. Full stop. He developed a fondness for M. Hamel. He understood the pain and agony his teacher was undergoing, and he became more sympathetic towards his teachers. And his school too now carried a different meaning. His books and lessons seemed old friends when he couldn't give up. He realized with pain how much French meant to him and regretted not being attentive in his classes. Yearly, suddenly, he felt that the difficult concept had never actually been difficult. तो ये क्वेश्चन डिस्कस हो गए हैं, और जो कोई भी लेसन होता है उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर आप अगर अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होगा, लेसन अगर आपने अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा, लाइन बाय लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन सुना होगा, तो इट्स नॉट डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू कि आप लोग उसमें से आंसर ना ब्रीफली आंसर उसको ना दे सको। अब यहाँ पे देखिए जो टेक्स्ट बुक के पेज नंबर 9 पे हैं 2 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट है, द पीपल इन द स्टोरी सडनली रियलाइज हाउ प्रीशियस देयर लैंग्वेज इज टू दैम। व्हाट शो यू दिस? व्हाई डज दिस हैपन? तो आंसर है, एम हैमर टोल्ड द स्टूडेंट्स एंड विलेजर्स दैट henceforth only German would be taught in the school of Alex, ALSAC, Alex and L'Oreal, LORRAINE. Those who called themselves Frenchmen would neither be able to speak nor write it. He praised French as the most beautiful, the clearest, and most logical language in the world. He said that for the enslaved people, their language was the key to their prison. Then the people realized how precious their language was to them. This showed people's love for their own culture, traditions, and country. Pride in one's language reflect pride in the motherland. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फ्रेंच थिंग्स will they make them sing in German, even the peasants? What could this mean? There could be more than one answer. So this comment of the French show a Frenchman's typical reaction to the imposition of learning German, the language of the conquerors. Being deprived of the learning of mother tongue would mean cutting off all bonds with the motherland. Teaching the peasants to sing in German indicate how far the Germans would go in their attempts in linguistics and chauvinism. अब जो हमारा चैप्टर 2 है लोस्ट स्प्रिंग, उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, व्हाट कुड बी सम ऑफ द रीजंस फॉर द माइग्रेशन ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम विलेजेस टू सिटीज़? तो आंसर है, पीपल माइग्रेट फ्रॉम विलेज टू सिटीज़ इन सर्च ऑफ लाइवहुड. देयर फील्ड्स फेल टू प्रोवाइड दैम मीन्स ऑफ सर्वाइवल. सिटीज़ provide employment, jobs, and other means of getting food. The problems in case of the poor is the feed the hungry members. Survival is the primary concern. Next है, would you agree that promise made to poor children are rarely kept? Why do you think that happens the incident narrated in the text? तो आंसर है, the promise made to the poor are rarely kept. The author asked Sahib half joking whether he will come to her school if she starts one. Sahib agreed to do so. A few days later, he asked if the school is ready. The writer feels embarrassed at having made a promise that was not meant. Promise like hers about in every corner of their bleak world. Question third, what forces conspire to keep the workers in the Bengal industry of Firozabad in poverty? तो आंसर है, certain force conspire to keep the workers in Bengal industries of Firozabad in poverty. These included the moneylenders, the middlemen of the and policemen, keepers, law bureaucrats, and politicians. Together they impose a heavy burden on the child. उसके बाद यहाँ पे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर है। फर्स्ट है, हाउ इन योर ओपिनियन कैन मुकेश रियलाइज हिज ड्रीम? तो आंसर है, मुकेश इज़ द सन ऑफ ए पुअर बैंगल मेकर ऑफ फिरोजाबाद. आई होप ये लैंग्वेज बहुत ईजी है तो आप समझ रहे होंगे, इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मोस्ट ऑफ द यंग मैन ऑफ फिरोजाबाद हैव नो इनिशियटिव्स और एबिलिटी टू ड्रीम, बट मुकेश इज एन एक्सपेंशंस. ही हैज़ द कैपेसिटी टू take courage and break from the traditional family occupations. He has strong will power also. He does not want to be a pawn in the hands of the middleman or moneylenders. Full stop. He insists on being his own master. By becoming a motor mechanic, he can realize his dream by joining a garage and learn the job of repairing cars and driving them. He will have to overcome money hardness before the success. Then comes transport problem. Money is the first one. He will have to earn some money himself. The garage is a long way from his home. He will have to cover it twice every day anyhow by walking on foot. Patience, hard work, firm will, and the determination to learn will help him realize his dream. नेक्स्ट है, Number 2 question, mention the hazard of working in the glass bangle industries. Answer is, the glass bangle industries has many health hazards, and it usually employs small children. It is illegal to employ very young children in hazardous industries, but certain forces like middlemen, moneylenders, police, and politicians combine to entrap the poor workers. Let's first consider the place where bangles maker work. It is the cottage industry. They work in the glass furnace with high temperatures. The Digny cells are without air and light. Boys and girls work hard during day next to lines of flames of flickering oil lamps. They weld pieces of colored glass into circle of bangles. Their eyes are most adjusted to the dark than the light outside. That is why they often end up losing their eyesight before they become adults. Glass blowing, welding, and soldering piece of glass are all are health hazards. Even the dust from polishing the glass of bangles adversely affect the eyes, and even adults go blind. Thus, the surrounding prevailing condition and the types of the job involved all prove risky to the health of the workers. Question third, why should child labor be eliminated and how? Answer, child labor should be eliminated because the children employed and tendered as a domestic search dishwashers at roadside dhabas in the hazardous industries making glass bangles, berries, crackers, etc. lose the charm of the spring of their life. Their childhood is stolen for demand by the responsibility of work. They become adults too soon. Most of them are undernourished, ill-fed, uneducated, and poor. They have stunted growth. Child labor can be eliminated only through concerted efforts on the part of government agencies, NGOs, non-government organizations. So, operative societies and political leaders, mere passing of law will not help. Laws should be enacted faithfully. The children throughout of the work should be rehabilitated and given proper food, clothes, education, and pocket money. These feelings, thoughts, and the emotions should be respected. Let them enjoy sunshine and fresh air. स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन आंसर इज़ कंप्लीटेड। और वैसे तो आपके जब एग्ज़ाम होंगे फाइनल एग्ज़ाम तो उसमें इससे रिलेटेड कुछ भी आ सकता है, ऐसा कि नहीं यही पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन है, इसीलिए आपको टेक्स्ट पढ़ना, टेक्स्ट इज़ मोर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कंपलसरी है। तो अब इसके फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड चैप्टर के हम लोग फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वोकेबलरी है वो डिस्कस करते हैं। चैप्टर फर्स्ट द लास्ट लेसन, उसके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में ऑन टिल एक्सेप्ट बेंच लिटिल फ्राइट एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड एंड फ्रिल। तो फर्स्ट आई जम्प्ड ओवर द, तो इसमें फिल होगा बेंच एंड सेट डाउन एट माई डेस्क। नॉट टू में होगा टिल, देन व्हेन आई हैड गोट ए लिटिल ओवर माई थर्ड फ्रिट and did I see that our teacher had, fourth में होगा on, did I see that our teacher had, fourth में on his beautiful green coat, his fifth frilled shirt, and the sixth में आएगा little black silk cap, all seventh embroidered that he never wrote, eight में आएगा except on inspections and prize days. Next, 2 number, wanted stroke, patience explained away, knew, listened almost. तो फर्स्ट है I had never listened so carefully and that he had never explained everything with so much. थर्ड में आएगा patience, it seemed, फोर्थ में आएगा almost, as if the poor man, फिफ्थ wanted to give us all he, सिक्स्थ में आएगा knew, before going, सेवन्थ में आएगा away, and to put it all into our heads at one, एट में आएगा stroke. चैप्टर 2 के फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, चैप्टर 2 लोस्ट स्प्रिंग स्टोरीज ऑफ स्टोलन चाइल्डहुड। तो इसी तरह यहाँ पे भी देखिए दिए गए हैं क्वेटर्स, स्ट्रक्चर्स, पैराफेरेजी, बेयरफुट, ड्रेन्स, वाइल्डनेस, एक्वेंटेंस एंड मेटाफोरिकली। तो यहाँ पे भी उसी तरह फिल करने हैं। उसके बाद फर्स्ट के आंसर यहाँ दिए गए हैं। सेकंड है डिस्कार्डेड, डिसकलर्ड, intently, strange, barefoot, explanation, wearing refused। तो ये है साहिब टू इज। तो फर्स्ट में आएगा wearing टेनिस शूज दैट लुक। टू में आएगा स्ट्रेंज ओवर हीज। थर्ड में आएगा डिसकलर्ड एंड शर्ट्स एंड शॉर्ट्स। समवन गिव देम टू मी ही सेज इन द मैनर ऑफ एन। फोर्थ में आएगा एक्सप्लेनेशन द फैक्ट दैट दे आर। फिफ्थ में आएगा डिस्कार्डेड शो ऑफ सम रिच बॉय हु परहैप्स। सिक्स्थ में आएगा रिफ्यूज्ड टू वियर दैम बिकॉज ऑफ ए हॉल इन वन ऑफ दैम डज नॉट बॉदर हिम फॉर वन हु हैज़ वॉकड barefoot। सेवंथ even shoes with a hole in a dream come true but the game is watching। so 8 में आएगा intently is out of his reach। तो क्वेश्चन ये चैप्टर फर्स्ट और सेकंड उसका फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वोकैबुलरी और क्वेश्चन आंसर इज कंप्लीटेड। राइट एंड लर्न इन योर नोटबुक। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू।